Bolstering English with facts and statistics. Learn with examples. Hello, language learners. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of answering with examples, specifically focusing on the subsection of facts and statistics. The ability to answer questions with facts and statistics can significantly improve the depth of your conversations, making them richer and more insightful. So, let's jump right in. Facts are true pieces of information based on real occurrences, while statistics are numerical data or figures derived from analysis. In conversation, we often use facts and statistics as examples to provide evidence, strengthen our point, or explain our view more clearly. For instance, if someone asks you, "Why do you think climate change is a serious issue?" you might reply, "According to NASA, the global temperature has risen by 1.9 degrees Fahrenheit since 1880, largely due to human activities." Here, you're supporting your opinion with a concrete fact and a specific statistic. When using facts in conversation, it's important to ensure they are accurate, relevant, and understandable. The phrase, "Did you know that?" is a useful tool for introducing facts into a conversation. Let's look at an example. Q. Why are you vegetarian? A. Did you know that producing a kilogram of beef generates 27 kilograms of CO2? That's one reason I decided to go vegetarian. Notice how the fact strengthens the speaker's response, providing concrete reasoning behind their decision. Statistics, like facts, should be accurate and relevant. But with statistics, it's crucial to simplify the numbers when possible to ensure they're understandable. You can use phrases like, around 1 in, approximately, or nearly, to introduce statistics. For example, Q. Why should I consider getting vaccinated? A. Approximately 97% of people in hospitals with severe COVID-19 are unvaccinated. Getting vaccinated can significantly reduce your risk. In this case, the speaker uses a compelling statistic to support their argument. And that's a wrap. We hope you now understand how to use facts and statistics to answer questions more effectively in English. Just remember, your facts and statistics should be accurate, relevant, and easy to understand. Next time you're in a discussion, don't forget to throw in some numbers or truths to make your point stand out. Until next time, happy learning and keep practicing.